Hi everybody, it's Sherry, aka bamarealist. So now is that time for the title company or the loan signing agent to actually pay up. And this can be done in a few different ways. So you may actually have a company that has a system, for example, a message board style system that allows you to actually sign in with a username and password. And it may actually have an option for you to actually do the invoice right from that system. So that is usually very convenient if that is the case. And it may look something like this, where you actually just confirm who is being paid, as you see on the right side of your screen. So, of course, you'll want to confirm that your name and address are correct, your social security number or tax ID, and you can indicate how you wish to be paid. For example, a lot of the drop down menus might indicate whether you can be paid direct deposit, in which case you may enter your direct deposit banking account information, or you may wish to be paid via physical check in the mail. And sometimes those options are certainly available, as you might see on this particular message board style invoice. And then if you look further to the left, of course, it will disclose the name of the company who is handling the invoice in terms of payment, their address. And this particular system that you see actually shows you a time frame that the appointments could have been. For example, you might see the appointments between March the 1st through March the 31st. If you are perhaps entering them on a monthly basis, you may decide to enter them every week. And of course, you would just adjust the dates accordingly. And further below this, you actually see the date of the particular signing involved. If it was assigned a loan or a control number, you of course would enter that accordingly and enter the borrower's last name would be great, the city, zip code of the property that is in question, even indicate the lender, things of that nature, and virtually you just complete it as they have indicated here. And so yeah, go ahead and definitely include your fees, which would be the signing fees box there. So this has been the option, of course, if you are using a dashboard style notification or documentation system. This next form is virtually just creating a simple invoice in order that you will be able to notify the loan signing company or the title company. And what I like to have indicated on the simple invoice, in this case, for example, if the previously mentioned system documentation dashboard style system isn't available, it is always good to just simply send a Word document. For example, you can even save it to your computer system if that's a lot easier for you. You will definitely want to go ahead and just indicate the date. And just below that, on the left, you of course will indicate your name, your address, your phone number, your email address. You certainly want to make it simple and easy for the company to contact you if necessary for any reason. Down below that, it is a good idea to indicate the client's name, the loan number, and this information you will know from the actual loan closing that you did. Across from that, I like to indicate the completion date for that particular loan packet. Down below that, go ahead and indicate who you are billing with this particular invoice. For example, if it is XYZ Title Company, indicate that. the title company's address and phone number. Below that, you will see a service description, and it could be something as simple as notary loan signing. Across from that, the amount that you are charging them. Of course, this will generally be an amount that you agreed upon previously. So, of course, if it's $250, for example, you simply just put the amount that is in question. And I personally like to say something like, thank you for your business, because it is a pleasure doing business with the signing company or the title company, as they could have chosen any other loan signing agent in order to fulfill the request. Or you may, for example, rather use something like your business logo if you have one. That's always good to just close there, and that just further solidifies your brand. And most signing companies or title companies will typically pay out anywhere between 2 weeks from the date of the actual signing appointment, from 30 to 45 days out. It just depends on the company and what is previously negotiated. And of course, they will pay out in the manner that was also previously negotiated, whether that be direct deposit or a physical check, for example. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.